Hello guys, today I will show you how to improve your golf swing at home in just 10 minutes per day. This is the golfer Rory McRoyce, and he's a coach, a golf coach. And if you go to this website, McRoyGolfSwingCoach.com, you will come right here. I will put the link down in the description. And here's a video of him explaining how it works. And if we go down, if you want more power and accuracy on your swing, is it possible? He got simple techniques and he will show you them in 6 steps, and after that, if you keep on practicing, you will improve it right away, and you don't need to go to the driving range, or you can just do it at home. The golf was actually a distraction when perfecting your swing. He explains it how to do it without hitting the golf ball at home, but to just improve your swing. You will learn the 6-step golf lessons to produce game-changing shots time and time again. And each step builds upon the one before, so you have to start at step 1. Easy, follow the steps in your home, as I said. Master it without practice, the invisible camera technique you will get, and also exactly where the 6 steps begins and ends, and the truth about following through. Why 99% of all golfers completely blow it right away after they strike the ball, and there's more. On this website they will explain it, and for example, he can also do it in an audio file if you want to do that and just listen to it. If we click on here, here's the deal. It's only $37 today if you use the link in the description. It is an affiliate offer, but you would help me out if you use it, but of course you don't have to. You can pay it with a credit card or with PayPal, and then you will get the 6-step golf lesson digital project. But that's actually how to improve it, and if you just keep on building this could help you out with your golfing, especially for beginners. Thank you for watching.